What's going on, drivers? What's going on, drivers? Welcome to another episode of the Rippin' and Running Show. I am your host, my trucker's keeper, aka the neighborhood trucker. And today we are in Austell, Georgia at MSI International, picking up some bundles of marble, slab, stone. I don't know the exact product, but you know we're gonna secure it and get it where it needs to go. Anyway, if it's your first time, welcome to the channel. Make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can keep up with the journey. You don't want to get left behind, all right? You don't want to miss this come up, so hit the bell so you can keep up. I'm gonna bring y'all along for a ride with me on this load right here going to Charlotte, North Carolina. But what I need you to do is sit back, buckle up, keep your ears and your eyes peeled, close your goddamn mouth, and you might just learn something.
Yeah. You know what it is, nigga? Yeah. 1008 shit, nigga. 1008 shit, nigga. We going for the gusto. Now how you coming, bro? Okay. I'm fucking with you then. There go. Yeah.
Ace Banks on the track.
Pointers in my chain, that's on my neck. Spaceship pull up at the intersection. V12 motor sounding real aggressive. Live by the G-code, stick to the method. Whipping the gleek, I'ma beat it and stretch it. Can't even lie on the shit like a septic. I got the green and the white like a Celtics on my body.
All right, driver. So, as y'all can see, Ugly Money is loaded up. We got 4 sets of we got marble, we got some stone, granite, I don't know. Y'all know what it is. Now, if you're wondering why they're sitting so close to the back, I'm actually getting 8 pallets of tiles right here on the front end. So, wanted to leave a little space, kind of balance it out a little bit. As you guys know, we can get 20 on each axle right here on the spread axle. So it's sitting a little low because I got the air dumped in the trailer. But like I said, we're gonna get 8 pallets to put on the front and we're gonna roll on out. This load right here is actually gonna be a true test to the new transmission that I just got replaced in Ugly Money, because the load that I brought down here was actually 6,000 pounds, which is very light, so I might as well say I deadheaded down here. The transmission does have about a little over 1,000 miles so far on it, but this is going to be the actual load. First time actually having a load that's got a little weight on it, and we can really test it out and make sure it pulls and everything good. All right, so we got the little small pallets loaded up. I thought they were talking about some big pallets, man. Them little things ain't nothing. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got that little tall one. They all weigh real light. So, you know, we got these things strapped down like they supposed to. 2 2-inch straps in the center. Really need you. Go ahead, man. Come on, DHL. I see you, my boy. Going on, man. So, we got 3 4-inch straps. 1 in the middle, 2 on each side. Not too tight. Just enough, you know. Little tension on them. But really it's important that you got them 2-inch straps strapped around the bundles. That's what keep it in place. And the 4-inch straps just keep it from not breaking or anything like that. But I've been here since 9:43. It is currently almost 2 o'clock. So, you know, I've been catching that good old detention time ever since around 11:30. And $50 an hour. $50 an hour. So that's just what it is, man. I'm in the way now. They done made me pull out the gate. I'm waiting on paperwork, man. I know this guy behind me gonna be mad at me, but it is what the fuck it is. Oh well. All right, driver. So we had to make a quick stop at Cram Tire Wheels out here in Atlanta, Georgia, because I've got a tire right there that I got from my boy, my brother, Mr. Fouty. Make sure y'all go check him out on YouTube, man. We gotta get that boy. Gotta get my brother to 1,000 subscribers, man. At least so he can leave me the hell alone. Y'all go and subscribe, man. The man got 6 trucks. He's an owner operator and he's giving out free games. Go subscribe to Mr. Fouty. Matter of fact, stop right now and go subscribe to Mr. Fouty. I'm gonna play a little clip from one of his videos so y'all can see how cool the man is.
Trapping out my 18 wheeler going ham. Making 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 band. Let these niggas know, see a nigga been a man. You ain't gotta say a dope nigga.
Mr. 4040. Go subscribe right now. Get him to 1,000 subscribers. All right, anyway, we got to get this tire right here replaced, man. So, we here at Cram Tire getting this thing replaced. And since I'm such a broke ass, because $8,000 got me fucked up right now from the transmission and the clutch being replaced, I got to put a used tire on there until I can go ahead and, you know, afford to get some brand new ones. But other than that, everything else is good. As you can see, my trailer got virgin tires on it. Got nice, good virgin meat on them trailer tires, so they pretty good. But yeah, man. Goddamn, see they got them old, nasty, dirty tires sitting over there. Uh-oh. To let you know we close to the airport. Anyway, man. About to go ahead and get this tire changed out. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all in a minute, alright? Alright.
Mine in the yard with me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I go on big man. Yeah. Where that part? Yeah.
14, they got another one.
Yeah. I put my best foot forward, head towards some elevation. I wanna go legit, but can't ignore my reputation. Try to set examples for my son, some players in the making. Gotta get my hands a little dirty just to bring the bacon. Life on the edge, I work better when I'm under pressure. I bumped my head so many times, I had to learn my lesson. I got this Smith & Wesson on me, so it ain't no stressing. You got an issue on issue when body bags and stretchers. These niggas don't know me. Please miss me with your assumptions. Rolling by my lonely. Please just know I'm up to something. And since a youngin' been on go, but still won't go for nothing. Until the day I get my ticket, then you know I'm thuggin'. I ain't never bet the nigga, always got it how I know. Digi-scale, sacking quarters, I was trapping all alone. I was working flip phone, I was serving not the zone, but I'm working on the boat, really trying to stay afloat, yeah. But what a hate when I was dead, bro.
Just like that, we're back in business, baby. Now it's time to go pay the bill. I wonder how much they gonna cost, how much they gonna charge me for it now. Yeah. I actually just ordered two brand new Firestone steers. Cost me $10.50 for the set. The owner of the company got an account at Love, so he get them at a decent price. So two Firestone steers for $10.50. I'll be slapping those on next week. Well, let me go on in here and see how much this gonna cost me for this little mount. I ain't had to buy no tire. I already had the damn tire. Shouldn't be no more than damn $40, $50. But, you know. Well, cost me a little bit less than I thought it would, man. Actually, $30, man. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all. Man, to be honest with y'all, man, I can't wait. So, another week or so, man, get my money together and go through this truck and get everything done that I need to get done, man. Gonna tighten it up, man. Three-wheel alignment, 3-axle alignment. Slap them steers on there, man, and we be ready to roll hard for the summer. Right in time for the money season. Oh, my bad, ladies and gentlemen. How rude of me to not mention that load is due to go to Charlotte tomorrow morning. And since Charlotte is only maybe 4.5 hours away, I'd be a pecan fool to leave today and go sit down in front of the gate. Well, not really. That'd be that's the more, my trucker's keeper thing to do. But today, come on, man. Y'all got to give me the benefit of the doubt. Y'all got to give me a chance. I haven't been home in 2 weeks. I'm getting ready to go home tonight. I'm finna go get me some Outback. Some Longhorn, actually. I'm about to go get me some Longhorn and go to the crib, knock that down, and chill out for the rest of the day. Push out by 3 o'clock in the morning, and I have it down time, man. But that's that. I catch y'all boys in the morning, man. We get that thing dropped off. You dig what I'm saying? As y'all seen, I got my tire changed and all that good stuff. So Get ready to pull up on Longhorn, like I said. Go to the house, kick back, grab some soft legs. I'm addicted to soft legs, aren't we all? Yes, sir. So you know, it's dinner for the real true champion. We got some freshly steamed broccoli. We've got some sirloin, some shrimp, a little butter, a little rice, pilaf, and the soft legs are here. End of the day, and I've been getting the cake. Sitting here counting the cake. I got a trade, and that bitch you throw away. Pussy boy, stay out my way. Rest in the bank, keep the dough money and safe. Can't never play it too safe. Nigga play around, I'ma catch me a case. Mackin' your hoe, keep that bitch in a place. Nigga be hating on Gus, not another day. I broke his hell at the end of the day.